Well, I thought the weather was just about perfect last night for New Year's Eve, wasn't it?
It was great. It was crazy, too, downtown Sarasota.
Oh,
it just gets bigger and bigger every year, it seems like. And I think more and more people are realizing that why should we go to New York when it's 10 below zero? At least it felt that way.
Yeah, it did.
Here it was nice, 60s, mid-60s. The pineapple came down. We also had fireworks at Marina Jack. And this is from Norm Schimmel. Look, Norm, yes, the first picture of the year right there. First Norm of the year, too. Happy New Year, Norm. Appreciate that photo coming in from One Watergate Tower. It's a nice perspective. This one from ground level, and this one coming, another nice shot from a different direction of the same fireworks from Dylan John Wade Cox. Appreciate all the photos. Keep them coming in 2018. So far, cold start to this year. You can see the Van Wezel webcam showing clouds all day. It's that colorless, opaque Midwestern sky. It seems like something you don't normally see down here in Florida, but we're getting it. Winter has arrived and will stick around too. This is the projection through this evening. You can see the wind chills in the low 40s. We're already there. Temperatures into the mid 40s right now, into upper 40s, upper 30s by 9 o'clock. That's what it will feel like outdoors. And the real cold air will be around just around 11 o'clock, and that's when the wind chill advisory really starts to kick in and will be rather significant for us. Now, no snow around. We did have some snow earlier. We showed you that up near Jacksonville right around 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon. They did get some snow. There's still the possibility of some flurries over North Florida. A freeze watch is in effect well north of our area for north central Florida from Jacksonville south down to just north of Tampa. The area here in the light blue, that indicates a wind chill advisory. We talked about this earlier. That's in effect until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, meaning wind chills down into the mid-30s. 47 degrees right now. Dew point is at 45. Makes it feel like about 42 degrees out there. The winds out of the north-northeast at 17. And the pressure way up, 30-19. And the high today was only 64 degrees. That's before the front moved in. That was more than likely this morning. And then temperatures will continue to drop, although this is the low right now. That is certain to change as we approach the midnight hour. 0.08 of an inch of rainfall to start this new year off. And so far, again, just 0.08. Now, 36 degrees already in Jacksonville. It's 47 in Orlando and 77, I should say, in Miami. So the front not through there over South Florida quite yet, and 32 in Pensacola. 40 in Tallahassee. Now, temperatures currently into the upper 40s to low 50s across the area. 51 in Arcadia, 50 in Northport. The Gulf water temperature now at 58 or 68 degrees, but that will be back down to the low 60s by the time we end this week as a result of repeated cold fronts coming through. Tomorrow's hourly forecast, well, it doesn't warm up much. Although we'll see some sunshine with a mixture of clouds and sun throughout the day, we will see a chance for a few light sprinkles too coming on through the morning. This is at 1:30, so some light rain overnight. More light rain throughout midday with quite a bit of clouds. Some breaks now and again. You'll notice that rain kind of thickens up by Wednesday at 5 o'clock in the morning. This is going to be snow and rain mixed. Right now it appears that the snow will fall north of the Tampa Bay area, north of Orlando. That'll happen, it looks like, late Wednesday and into Thursday. And we see the rain still kind of sticking around through midday on Wednesday. A pretty good chance for showers throughout the day on Wednesday. Now, the national picture, not a big story as far as storms go. The big story has been the extreme Arctic blast, the polar vortex, if you will, continues to cause all sorts of headaches. St. Louis at now 6. Chicago has dropped a degree in the last hour. It's -1. It feels much colder throughout this region. -19 in Minot. It feels -16 in Chicago. That's the wind chill. 11 in Washington. Even at 14 into Atlanta, and this cold air will stick around for a while. For boaters, the small craft advisory is in effect. Seas running 4 to 6 feet, rough out there. Tides upcoming on your screen. High tide will be at 10:56, and sunset will be at 5:48 tomorrow. Well, here's the 7-day forecast. So we're going to warm up just a little bit tomorrow. High of 62. We'll see some clouds and sun with a mixture of rainfall at times, a 30% chance, 60% chance for some morning showers on Wednesday. Notice the temperatures staying into the upper 50s to low 60s. The coldest morning, it appears, will be Saturday morning at 36 degrees. We could even see some freezing temperatures in our inland counties on Saturday morning. So keep your jackets, sweaters handy. Wind chill advisory in effect through tonight.